Business idioms are a fascinating aspect of language because they play a very crucial role in business and professional communication. These idiomatic expressions are like the secret handshake in the business world. They enrich your conversation and they provide a very valuable context in what is being discussed. Business idioms and expressions, they have a figurative and a non-literal meaning. But then they are like the shortcuts in a language because they convey complex ideas and sentiments in a very succinct and a memorable manner. If you try to analyze the words individually in a business idiom, they may not hold any literal meaning, but then they are widely accepted and used in the professional world. Hello and welcome to my channel, The English Way. This is me, Jayashree. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, quickly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon because there's lots and lots coming your way. So let's get started. But before we begin, first let's get an answer to this question: why do business idioms matter? Number one, for effective communication. Business idioms, they can make your communication more engaging and efficient. They'll help you to convey ideas and emotions in a way that resonates with your colleagues, with your clients, and your superiors. Second, cultural understanding. In a globalized business world, understanding idiomatic expressions used in different cultures is very, very crucial. It can help prevent misunderstandings and demonstrate a cultural awareness. Number three, professionalism. Using idioms appropriately can enhance your professionalism. It shows that you are not only proficient in the technical aspects of your job, but you also understand the nuances of business communication. The next, confidence. The ability to use idioms can boost your confidence to a high level in various professional situations such as meetings, conferences, negotiations, and presentations. So here are some examples of business idioms. I've come with just 5 business idioms today. Let's see how you like them. The first one, touch base. Touch base means to make an initial contact with someone to discuss a business matter. Let's touch base next week to discuss the project. Idiom number 2, think outside the box. This phrase encourages creative thinking and problem solving beyond the conventional boundaries. We need to think outside the box to find a solution. The third one, cut to the chase. To get straight to the point without unnecessary details. Let's cut to the chase and talk about the budget. Put all your eggs in one basket. This is the fourth one. To risk everything on a single opportunity or a strategy. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Going the extra mile. To make an additional effort to go beyond what is expected. She always goes the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. So these were 5 simple and basic business idioms. I hope you like them. But then this video is not complete if I do not tell you how to use business idioms. There are some tips which you should keep in mind while using business idioms. When using business idioms, always keep the following tips in mind. Number 1, the context matters. Ensure that the idiom fits the occasion, fits the context of the conversation or the document. Misusing idioms can be really confusing and damaging. Tip number 2, be natural. Use the idioms naturally. Avoid forcing them into your writing or even your speech. They should enhance your conversation, not hinder. The third tip, know your audience properly. Consider the familiarity of your audience with the idioms. In some international contexts, your idioms may need an explanation. The fourth and a very, very important tip. This is what I repeat and repeat and repeat in every English learning video of mine. That is practice. Practice using your idioms in various professional scenarios to build your confidence as well as your fluency. Only if you keep practicing, the idioms which you use will seem natural. So that's a wrap for today. Today, what have we discussed? Why to use business idioms, 5 examples of very basic and simple business idioms, and how you should use these business idioms in your professional context. I hope you like this video. Please like the video and share it among your friends. Watch the video again and again to understand the value of using idioms in your business scenarios. Make use of these idioms and fly high in your profession. God bless all of you. See you very soon in another episode of Business Idioms.